Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, we have another Dooney and Bourke unboxing. And this one, you all, it is actually for Denim December. You see the blue, so let's go ahead and unwrap everything and see what it is. Alright, y'all, so of the two, I'm going to open this one first because this is a particular silhouette that I have wanted for at least over a year, I would say. Initially, I saw this particular silhouette. Believe it or not, I saw it on Amazon. And it was for a very low price. I want to say it was last year, probably early last year. And I had it in my cart, y'all. I think it was less than, it could have been anywhere between $60 and $80, I believe. But I thought it was so cute. But I waited too long and it was gone. And the price on the remaining colors were gone as well. It went up. It either went up or sold out on Amazon. So a while ago, I was watching. It was maybe like a week or so ago. Indubitably Sanice, and I'll tag her channel. So you all definitely check out her channel. She has great lives and she'll show up and coming Dooney and Bourke items as well as sales also. But she mentioned this particular silhouette, which is referred to as the Ambler. And this one is 36 of 141. It does have a shipboard date of September 2024. And the color is jeans. That's why I'm using the hashtag Denim December. But this particular leather, I believe, this is the code for it. It's called Belvedere. So it's the Belvedere Ambler. It does come in other leathers, I guess newer versions of it. But to my knowledge, this is one of the first leathers that I'm aware of that it came in. This is the one that I was introduced to. But the color jeans, and I hope this blue is coming up as pretty on camera as it is in person. It literally does look like the color of some blue jeans. But it is a cute and petite purse. The top handle portion is really what drew me to it. The color that I had in my cart that got away initially was like a taupe color, I believe. And I think it was a bone color. It was only one or two colors that was on Amazon at the time. And in the back of my mind, I always thought about, like, goodness, I'll let those get away. It was a very good price. But y'all, after Sanice mentioned the newer leathers or material in this particular silhouette, I went on I Love Dooney and looked, and y'all, this color only, it was about probably 5 other colors, but this color only was marked down to, I think it was like $70, $71. The others were over $100. I'm not sure. I haven't looked to see if there are any remaining on there now. But that was what caused me to actually get this color because the price was so good on it. It was closer to what the price was for the ones on Amazon some time ago that got away. So that was my green light to go ahead and get this particular silhouette, especially since I I kept it on my list, but I hadn't seen it pop up in a while. But this is a tour of it, you all. I'm going to take the plastic off of the handle so that you can see the full silhouette of this bag. Excuse me. And what I like about it is that it has really, it seemed like it has everything built into it to where you don't really have to have any accessories. So the front part of it, as you did see the metal Dooney and Bourke plate, it does not have feet or anything. It is a crossbody as well as a top handle carry bag. But it has the card slots already made into the side of the purse. So there are 6 card slots here. And then a slip pocket back here. And you have a zipper compartment here. So that's already like a little mini wallet. Not even mini wallet. This is like a full-size wallet that's made into the bag. A slip pocket behind the zipper compartment. So to me, this whole front section could easily be a wallet. And you still have room to put other items inside. And you do have the key keeper here, as well as the crossbody strap, and I'm sure it can be shortened to make it just a shoulder carry, but I believe it's meant to be worn as a crossbody, or at least have the option for both. And I'm really liking this color. Okay, so we're going to look on the back side of it, and this is the hang tag for it. The Belvedere, Ambler, and jeans. So the slip pocket on the back, as you see. And then let's look in this compartment. Oh, this is cute. They fit an actual dust bag in there. And what is this? Oh, that was something else, you all. I forgot about that. It comes with a card case, so I get to unwrap that. So this is actually like having a wallet on both sides. So you literally have 6 more card slots on this side, another slip pocket, and this time the zipper is made into the side of the bag. Instead of the like on this side, and now unzip both so you can see the differences. This side, it was a slip pocket on behind the zipper, and the zipper, you have more room there. This one, this zipper is flush to the side of the wall of the bag. It does have the registration card and sticker inside, and a slip pocket on the front, and it does have the Dooney and Bourke there. So this is cute, y'all. It's really like a double wallet on each side. You still have room to put whatever you need inside. And then this cute top handle carry or crossbody strap. Let me see if I have my I have a large frame coin purse here. It might be pushing it, but I'm going to see if it actually fits inside of this or not. Let's see if it zips up. It does. Now I wonder if one would fit on the other side. That might be pushing it, but that'll give you a good idea of how much this could hold. So let's see if my other one, this one is not stuffed. Yeah, I think it's gonna hold that too, y'all. Let me go ahead and cut the strap from the key keeper so that I can zip it up and see. Okay, so it would zip if the kiss lock part was not in the way. With that there, it's like I'm having to force it. So you all, even though this is a little petite bag, it holds 2 kiss locks. And then I believe even if I had like cards and cash and lip gloss or whatever else in here, lotion, keys, I think it would still close up. If it holds a full kiss lock, on both sides. That's saying a lot. So this is the cute Ambler that I had on my list and had kind of given up on, thinking that it was gonna come back, especially for that price. But lo and behold, I Love Dooney decided to put that particular color on sale for a very good price. So I'm glad I grabbed it. And let's look at the card case. This is so cute. You get a little matching accessory with it. So hope you all can see that. The gold Dooney and Bourke writing. So this has room for another 3 cards and your ID on the back, or another card, and then more inside as well. It's not firm or anything, but of course once you put your cards in it, that will add firmness to it. So this is a very pretty set, and I am happy with my purchase on that one. I was really surprised to see the kiss locks fit inside of it, but that does go to show you that it's a tiny bag but holds a lot. And I will include the measurements on the screen for it also, just to give you a brief visual of it. It's at least about 7.5 inches in length. So we'll see once I put the measurements on the screen if my measurements are close or not. And about 5 inches in height, no more than 5.5. And then the width is about 2.5 or 2 3/4 wide. So it's a cutie, it's a keeper. All right, y'all. So that's the jeans Ambler, the Belvedere jeans, Belvedere Ambler, and the color jeans for Denim December. All right, y'all. Let me know if you have this particular silhouette, or if you've seen it before, or if that's something that you would add to your list or to your collection, or if you feel like it's too petite and you may want to hold off on it. All right, y'all. So I don't know if I will put that back in there, because it didn't have to be stuffed like that, but it was stuffed very well and cute because everything had to be folded. So this is the next one, y'all, and this particular silhouette may look familiar to you because I do have it in the color is light mauve is the name of the other color, but to me it looks like a lavender. But I did unbox the light mauve color or lavender color of this in October, November, but I unboxed it for Purple for Minnie. At Minnie's Handbags had a hashtag for Purple for Minnie, and that's why I unboxed the light mauve color version of this bag. So when I saw this one come up in denim, I might need to, let's see, instead of trying to untape all of this, y'all, I think I'm gonna try to safely cut it. But yeah, y'all, I saw this color come up, and I have a long zip around wallet slash wristlet in denim, but not an actual denim Saffiano bag. I don't recall the price of this one. I'm thinking it was less than under $100 as well, if I recall. But this is the code for it and information for it. So it is Saffiano in the color denim, and it is a satchel. Another pretty silhouette, you all, and one of my favorite leathers, which is the Saffiano. It's more durable and carefree, but to me it's like a dressy leather for some reason. I guess, I don't know, I guess just kind of like the texture of it. And you can see that texture in the leather, the stitching, very pretty. And of course it does have feet. And this silhouette is similar to the Darcy, but I believe the Darcy silhouette is a little bit smaller than this bag. So this one is really just called Satchel. And if you all are watching this video, you've made it this far, and you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. Make sure you all see the close-up of the handle. Alright, so inside, okay, so it does have the normal setup with the Dooney and Bourke patch, leather trim around the zipper, slip pocket registration card, slip pocket in front of the zipper, and then on the front side of the bag, 2 slip pockets with the leather trim on both. And this one does have the Dooney and Bourke authentication label back there. All in all, this is a very pretty color and silhouette. And this is the strap, y'all, that they have wrapped to capacity. So just so you all can see that it matches the bag exactly also, as most Saffiano does. Everything matches. And this is a thin strap, so you can use it with the bag or add your own wider strap if you like. But these 2 cuties are very pretty and keepers. A great addition for Denim December. And I hope you all enjoyed this video and these 2 beauties. I look forward to reading you all's comments to see if you have either one of these silhouettes in your collection. If you're a fan of the Ambler, if you would prefer the Ambler over the Satchel, or the Satchel over the Ambler. It may depend on your day, where you're going, the event, or really what you carry on a normal basis, I would say. But that's it, you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.